So welcome to Vandana's Art. Today we are going to make our Seascape 3. For that we need lots of knife, brushes and paints. So let's start. So we need material canvas. I have taken 30 centimeter into 40 centimeter size and it's a stretch canvas, so we can hang it like this. We have palette knives, we have brushes of different sizes, and we have two dotting tools in case if we want to show any dots. We'll use pencil to give little outline here. We need water, we need lots of cloth to wipe our brushes, and we need lots of white paint, purple, blue, Persian blue, brown, various shades of yellow, little bit green, pink, teal blue and beige. We'll start with these and then we'll see what we need. So first we want to make the sand. To make sand, I'll take little bit of beige color here and white color. We'll mix it and make two shades of beige. See, that is how we use the knife. Hold it and take the paint from the back side. So here I'll mix in this and we will make two shades, at least two shades of beige to show the sand. This is one color. Now here we'll mix more white. So here we get one shade lighter than this. Okay, so these are three colors, 1, 2, 3 for the sand. After this we will need lots of shades of blue. So I will mix in this blue, I'll mix little bit of white. So we get one shade lighter. We can use Persian blue also, any blue, whichever you have at home. Don't worry about exact colors. This is not a conventional painting, not a realistic piece. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 shades. Now we'll make the shades of purple. We'll keep purple here and we'll take white. I'll draw the design roughly with the pencil, actually just to get an idea. Till here I'll bring the sea. Here sky part will start. Here the shore will start. Here some dark color. Here dark blue. And here shadow will come. Sun's shadow. If we will make it dark, then it will be difficult to cover it with the paint. I start with the shade of blue. Then some purple in between. I'm showing you with the brush also. See, do the mixing with the brush. Our upper part of the painting is almost ready. We will use little bit of pink color and white color White color we are going to use to show the clouds. So now we are starting with the water. For water, I'm using this darkest color. This is the darkest color I'm using. Then I'll be using next color, then next color and that. And in between, water. Now, those who have knife, they can mix the shades with knife. Those who don't have knife, you mix the shades like this. Now I'll show you with the knife, but in between we are going to show reflection. We are using various shades of yellow. Now it's time to use the knife. If you have hair dryer, then you can blow with hair dryer. Okay, that will be very easy. I'm trying to do with the mouth, just simple blowing. This much part is complete and we are going to make the scent. We are using different shades of beige and yellow here. Green in this corner. In between, little bit of brown. Little bit beige more. I'm using gold color. So here we have green, yellow, pink, gold and brown. After doing this much, I will use my big knife and once I will move it here. Now last thing, I'll use white color. We'll wait for this to get dry because after drying these different layers will give different shades. So there may be different shades after drying. What we can see right now may not be the same thing tomorrow morning. I hope you like the tutorial. If you like, kindly like and subscribe and share my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Thank you for watching.